screen time on it. So nowadays the people, in my point of view, nowadays they are just increasing the value of specs wearing persons. So first I said that the icon, right? Because the natural seeing is different from wearing a specs. So increase in eyesight is the first thing, and no one during this pandemic, now it's okay, but the first time around no physical activities. Inside homes they used to walk, or in terrace they used to walk. That is not important. That's not the correct way other than coming outside. If we come outside, we can able to play freely as like we are playing in a schools like in playing hours. So that is lacking in this pandemics. And then next is the activities, regular activities is skipping. So if we regular activities is going on school days, in pandemics they are becoming so lazy. So when we are comparing with school lives or college life, so the person will wake up at 5 o'clock, they'll do their regular work and they'll go for a college and they'll have some routine works. When we come into a pandemic situation, they become so lazy. They wake up at nearly about 7 to 8 o'clock and their routine work start to reduce, and due to this laziness, their normal work is bending. They will bend their work and they will complete with in next year, or this postpone. The postponing work is increasing in this time.
Last 1 minute remaining.
So I like to continue with Balaji now.
Well done, very nice.
Continue from that. So during the pandemic, the youngsters are not having time to talk to their parents because they have some online classes and they have to write their homeworks and they have to finish the homework in time for the next day, and they don't have time to spend with the parents. So they should have some time management in order to speak with the parents and since they don't get due to the much of homeworks given by the school and college, and they will go to sleep like after midnight or 1 or 2 o'clock.
Time, Balaji. Well done. Very nice contribution. So it was a very nice topic by Kalpita Street's team, and it was very well handled by Kirtana. The presentation was really nice. Balaji's presentation, and Anas as a leader has to approve of this particular fact that the team is trying to give a very good chance for learning for people like Hafid and Hafiz. So I really welcome that gesture. அவங்க வந்து சின்ன பசங்கிட்ட அவங்க டாஸ்க் கொடுக்கறத வந்து நான் ரொம்ப வெல்கம் பண்ணுறேன். ஏன்னா நேற்று அவங்க நல்லா பண்ணாங்க. ஸோ இன் அ வே அவங்க வந்துட்டு சேலஞ்சும் பண்ணுறாங்க, இவனுக்கு சான்ஸ் கொடுக்குறாங்க. தட்ஸ் அ வெரி குட் மூவ் ஆக்சுவலி. ஸோ ஐ ரியலி அப்ரிஷியேட். ஆனாலும் காலேஜ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் யங்ஸ்டர்ஸ் பற்றி பேசுகிறப்ப ஹாபிஸ் பேச முடியாதனால 2 யங்ஸ்டர்ஸ் நான் பேச சொல்லுவேன். இவ்வளோ உங்கள் ஸ்கூலில் சீனியர், அவங்க காலேஜில் சீனியர் அப்படின்றதுனால ஓகே brother. Okay, now let's keep our fingers crossed and we will listen to Kalpita's decision as to how much is the rise or neutral or whatever, and you have to explain your decision.
Minimum 5,000, maximum 10,000.
Minimum 5,000, maximum 10,000.
Minimum 5,000, maximum 10,000.
And your wish, you can go for zero balance also. Not that big. 1 lakh. Vrinda will announce.
So we are reducing 5,000, so 10,000, 5,000.
So you are giving 5,000 as a merit. Can you explain why not 10,000? Why 5,000 only?
Sir, actually, both are actually presenting for 3 minutes, sir. Most of the time, Keetanaka have spoke and she gave more valuable points, sir. Balaji also spoke, sir, but little bit his time is comparing to Keetana's time is too less, sir. So
Sir, we feel that time management, sir, as per Kalpitaka's clock, sir, Kirtanaka has consumed about 2.3 minutes, sir, while Balaji
Spoke only for
unfortunately 50 seconds, sir. So we find that it's we are not saying this is an offense, sir. It's about the time management also, sir. So that's why we are reducing.
Okay, right.
But both of them did well.
Sir, and the topic was solely the idea of Prabha Kesari Chavan was approved.
That was very nice.
Thank you.
Very well done, sir.
So, Varshan, we are noting down. இங்க யாருமே நோட் பண்றது இல்ல, but I think நேத்து கீர்த்தனா இன்னைக்கு நோட் பண்ணோம் அப்படி. Presentation credit worth 5,000. இந்த presentation credit worth 5,000, 10,000 அப்படிங்கிறது என்னன்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா, ரிஷா பாலாஜிக்கு தெரியும், பட் மிருதுவாஷினி வேதவாஷினிக்கு தெரியாது, கீர்த்தனாக்கு தெரியாது. அதாவது இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு டாஸ்க், when you are doing a task and when you are getting the benefit entitled along with the task, that is called as a presentation credit. So here the team has given you 5,000 extra as a credit. So in the round la unga presentation credit is 5,000. Yesterday also your team earned presentation credit and their team also earned presentation credit. This presentation credit will be laying a very big impact when we are taking stock after the game for announcing the winner. So now Mohammad Anas's team has got a presentation credit 5,000 contributed by Kirtana and Balaji. Well done. So please make a note of it. When you are selling that start at home, நீ விற்கும் போது 10,000 ரூபாய் அதிகமாக கிடைக்கும். அந்த கார்டு எழுதிக்கிறது வெறும் 5,000 தான். இப்போ நீங்க ப்ரெசென்ட் பண்ணி 5,000 ரூபாய் earn பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. அந்த ஸ்டாக் ரவுண்ட் விற்கும் போது 1,10,000 ரூபாய் உங்களுக்கு திரும்ப வரும். அந்த ஸ்டாக் எடுக்கும் போது நீங்க சொல்லலைன்னா நான் அதை ஞாபகம் படுத்திருக்கேன். It's your responsibility. Okay. Kalpita Sri's team. நீங்க தான
Yes, in 3 sessions.
நீங்க ஸ்பின் பண்ணீங்களா இல்ல அவங்க ஸ்பின் பண்ணாங்களா?
So nowadays,
Okay, the next spin is done by Mitra.
Sir, how can we split
Medium.
for us?
Close. You might get 2 or 3. 4. So purple, move it.
attend Hollywood movie.
Eh? Another life card. The more you earn life card, the more safer.
So the life card box.
No tasks. So Mohammad Anas's team is spinning. Hafiz is spinning. Captain man. No, it's in the middle. Hafiz, you have to spin it again. Say, Nipa. Nipa,
So it's okay. So okay, sir.
Vana, Natanga, Pona, Varanga.
So next question, sir.
Hey,
One.
written the Abhishra.
Ready for ready for.
I need a proper coffee.
What? Companies.
Four. Hey, toughest taking running, hey.
There, second.
Alright, team Kalpita. Again, life card. ரெண்டு ஸ்பின்ல டாஸ்கே இல்லாம அப்படியே ஸ்மூத்தா டிராவல் பண்றீங்க.
2 or 3, 4. Okay. So 1, 2.
லைஃப் கார்டுக்கு I am not fixing up any tasks.
Oh.
Purple is your turn.
ஓகே சார் சார் இதுவே கன்சிஸ்டண்டா ஒரு நேரம் டாஸ்க் எல்லாம் போல நீங்க
1, 2,
கொடுப்பீங்க
3. Okay.
அப்படியே போச்சுன்னா நான் உழைக்கணும்ல, அதனால நான் டாஸ்க் கண்டிப்பா கொடுப்பேன். லைஃப் கார்டை கட் பண்ணி டாஸ்க்
கட் பண்ணிட்டு கொடுப்பீங்க சார்
லைஃப் கார்டோட வேல்யூ பார்த்துருவேன்டா, அதை என்ஹான்ஸ் பண்றதுக்கு வச்சுக்கோ. 7 is Brinda's score.
Hey, Anta, lose job.
3, 4, 5, 6. So that is for career card only, sir.
Lose
That
your
is
job,
for career
take
card
new
only,
career,
sir.
sir.
சொல்லிருக்கீங்க.
Sir, lose your job, take
I
your...
mean, நீ வச்சிருக்கிறது காலேஜ் இருக்கா?
Yes, sir.
No.
I'll give you a trade-off. Listen to me. Okay. Everybody, for your kind attention, Kalpita Sri's team has landed up in the career card shift. But actually, they are playing with the college career card. Now, there are 2 choices. Choice number 1, we will go to the next round. That is, Team Anas will spin. No profit, no loss, nothing. Choice number 2, We would like to take a task from the administrator. And the administrator will give the task, and the task is going to be amongst them 3 minutes span of time. ஒருவேளை அந்த டாஸ்க் நல்லா பண்ணா, the administrator will have a discussion with the opposite team, that is Anas's team. எல்லாத்தையும் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிட்டு மேக்ஸிமம் 15,000 ரூபாய்.
Sir, எங்களோட டாஸ்க் எபிக்